exactly this is nowadays most of the companies are like they focus high. The reason, so basically the key takeaways of this is, for being a socially responsible company can bolster a company's image and build its brand. For example, if you take Tata as an example, if they are putting their amount, some doing some social responsibility for the society, uh, they what they do exactly, the customers, the society, they are well aware. They build an image and they create a good image and it builds its brand that yeah, Tata is doing this things for the society. So it enhances in the image and the brand value of the company. Now, second is the social responsibility. It empowers employees to leverage the corporate resources at their disposal to do good. So it also empowers the employees uh, to help corporate resources to dispose something for good to the society. The third thing is the formal corporate social responsibility programs. It can boost employee morale and lead to greater productivity in the workforce. Here, what it will discuss this in the benefit part, and we'll come to know how exactly the corporate social responsibility did to boost the morale of the employee. Now, what are the benefits of CSR? The benefits of CSR speak volumes about how important it is and why you should make an effort to adopt it in your business. Now, what are the benefits? The first one is improved public image. This is what I was talking about in the previous slide. This is crucial as consumers assess your public image when deciding whether to buy from you. Something simple like staff members volunteering an hour a week at a charity shows that you are a brand committed to helping others. As a result, you will appear much more favorable to the consumers. Like if you take an example in current scenario of COVID-19. So what Tata did, they have like donated a huge amount in this particular thing for the COVID-19. So what image as a public or as a customer is that yeah, Tata has invested a good amount of their revenue for the society. So it creates a brand value. Okay, this is what exactly we are trying to understand. Second one is increased brand awareness and recognition. So public image, the first thing. Second is the brand awareness and the recognition. So if you are committed to ethical practices, this news will spread. No doubt, it will spread via any media, through news, or it will spread through social media or anything, which will create a brand awareness and recognition of Tata, the example which I was talking about. So more people will therefore hear about your brand, which creates an increase in brand awareness. Third one is cost savings. Many simple changes in favor of sustainability, such as using less packaging. If you are using, uh, this is one of the examples. If you are using the less packaging in the manufacturing thing, this will help to decrease your production cost. So if we are using less packaging things in the manufacturing part, then this will obviously decrease the production cost of the company. So this is also a cost savings. More benefits for employees. There are also a range of benefits for your employees when you embrace CSR. Your workplace will be a more positive and productive place to work, and by promoting things like volunteering, you encourage personal and professional growth. Like every company has its own CSR department. So, if in terms of employee, if we are promoting asking any employee to volunteer such as any activity, it gives a recognition of that employee, right, that he has been assigned for some particular work for the social cause. So this encourages the personal and professional growth of the employee. Next is an advantage over competitors. So obvious things are like every company will have some competitors, right? Like production of or manufacturing any product in the same vertical. So embracing CSR, you stand out from competitors in your industry. You establish yourself as a company committed to going one step further by considering social and environmental factors. So what exactly this means is that there will be a number of companies in the same vertical working for the same product. But when one particular company is doing something for the society or for the environment, definitely it will be recognized more. This is what this is an advantage over the competitors. The next one is increased customer engagements. If you are using sustainable systems, you should shout it from the rooftops, post it on your social media channels, and create a story out of your efforts. Furthermore, you should show your efforts to local media outlets in the hope they will give it some coverage. Customers will follow this and engage with your brand and operations. So, what exactly this means, like nowadays, whatever activities a company do, so if they keep on posting it in the social media channel or any news or the media channel, they will give some coverage over this particular campaign or the program the company is doing for. So what it does is customer will follow this and engage with your brand and operations. And the next point is greater employee engagement. So similar to customer engagement, you also need to ensure that your employees know your CSR strategies. It's proven that employees enjoy working more for a company that has a good public image than one that doesn't. Furthermore, by showing that you are committed to things like human rights, you are much more likely to attract and retain the top candidates. So, retain in sense, this is like employee are totally engaged on some social cause. So, they're like they're getting something extra, right? For them. So they're showing that you are committed to things like human rights, and much more likely that it will attract and retain the top candidates. So this is what the importance of customer I was talking about in corporate social responsibility. Thank you.